The SOG tools that are keychain size include the Crossgrip, which is pliers, and the Crosscut, which is going to be scissors. These are also spring-loaded. The scissors come with this combination tool here that's a bottle opener and a mini screwdriver blade. You've got this toothpick, and you've got a file or nail file size tool. You've got a knife blade, and you've got a larger screwdriver blade right here, and then in the middle is this set of tweezers. A little bit larger, a little bit more heavy-duty set of tweezers than what we've seen on those other tools. This is the Crosscut. The Crossgrip has this pair of pliers that you'd probably describe as a blunt nose pliers as compared to the pliers on the Squirt P4. They're going to be more of a needle nose pliers. Now, in addition to the pliers, you're going to have this knife blade, and you're going to have this screwdriver blade, and this is another set of tweezers. They're shaped a little bit different, but there's going to be a set of tweezers here on this Crossgrip. And then on the other side, you're going to have the file, you're going to have this small blade screwdriver, and this combo tool for a bottle opener. That's the SOG Tools. And this is a little tool from Gerber called the Solstice. This tool does not have a knife blade. It's a pair of spring-loaded scissors. You've got a Phillips screwdriver here, a regular blade screwdriver here. You've got a small tool that folds out that's a bottle opener, and you've got a small tool that folds out here that's a can opener. But it does not have a knife blade, so this is the only tool that I've come across, keychain tool, that doesn't have a knife blade on it. Okay, this is a tool from Gerber. I don't know the name of it, but it's a interesting little keychain tool. It has this fold-out set of scissors from Fiskars, little pair of scissors on this keychain tool from Gerber, and it has some tweezers that come out quite similar to your Swiss Army knife tweezers. There's a blade that slides out right here, a little knife blade, and over here there's two tools, a Phillips screwdriver that slides out and the standard screwdriver that slides out. So this is just this little keychain tool from Gerber. Now there's two tools here from Buck. This one has scissors, this little knife blade, and then this is the Buck Minitool. It has pliers that are not spring-loaded, and some tools, a knife blade, a nail file, a small screwdriver with bottle opener, scissors, tweezers, and another small screwdriver. So, this is some of the Keychain multi-tools that are available out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.